Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Roblox on the device you prefer. Once logged in, make sure you're on the home or discover feed so you can access promoted content quickly. Next, tap or click the Add/Sponsored section or scan game thumbnails for ad labels. This immediately surfaces available ad creatives. Do this now so you can jump directly into viewing and tracking which pieces of promo content are active and relevant to you. Once you find a promoted card or an in-game billboard, select it to open the ad player. You'll see video, image carousel, or interactive content. Make sure to allow audio and switch to full screen for best clarity, because longer creatives can include clickable calls to action like join or use code. While watching, pay attention to timestamps and links so you can follow up. This matters for tracking promotions or redeeming offers and helps you decide whether to interact further. After the ad finishes, follow the call to action, join the promoted game, click the link, or redeem any displayed code to complete the intended flow. If the ad fails to load or the video stutters, clear the app cache, update Roblox, or switch to a browser. This usually resolves playback problems. If a view or reward isn't recorded, retry and note the time, device, and ad ID, then contact support. Keeping those details speeds diagnosis and fixes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.